In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your online store's appearance by editing the color scheme of your Shopify store's Sense theme. This process allows you to tailor the look and feel of your website to better reflect your brand identity. Whether you're looking to make a subtle change or a complete transformation, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. To begin, you'll need to access your Shopify admin. Once you're in, look for the Online Store section in the sidebar. Click on it, and then you'll see the Themes tab. This is where all your theme management happens, including making visual changes like what we're about to do today. After locating the Themes page, focus on finding your current LiveSense theme, which will be the theme actively used by your store. Next to it, you should see an option to Customize. Click on Customize to dive into the theme editor. This tool is essential for making detailed edits to the look of your store. Once inside the theme editor, your eyes should drift to the left sidebar, where you can find all the customization options you need. Look for the Theme Settings option, typically represented by a gear or settings icon. Clicking this will open up a submenu where you can control various aspects of your theme. Now, within the theme settings, you want to select Colors or a similar option. This section is where all the magic happens regarding your store's color palette. You'll see a list of color schemes or palettes available in your theme. For Shopify's Sense theme, there are usually 2 or more predefined color schemes available. These schemes are essentially collections of colors that dictate the overall look of your site, including elements like background and button colors. Select the color scheme that you want to modify. This could be labeled something like Scheme 1 or Scheme 2. Once you've picked your target, you can start updating the color values. You'll find options to change the background color, text color, button backgrounds, and more. These changes allow you to customize each aspect of your site's appearance to match your brand's unique style. After you've updated the colors to your satisfaction, it's important to ensure consistency across all sections of your site. Still inside the theme editor, navigate through each section of your store to confirm that the color scheme picker for each part is set to the scheme you just edited. This step ensures that every part of your store displays the new colors consistently, maintaining a cohesive look. Finally, don't forget to hit Save once you've completed your changes. By saving, you're applying all the adjustments you've made so that they reflect on your live store. This final step is crucial to ensure all your hard work is not lost. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully personalized your Shopify store's appearance. Thanks for joining today, and I hope you feel more confident in customizing your online presence.